Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disconnect your Gmail account from your Android device. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on Accounts. Now select your Gmail account. Here you can see the remove option. If you want to disconnect your Gmail account from your Android device, you just have to press here remove account. That's it. So this is how to disconnect your Gmail account from your Android device. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.